Follow the steps on how to create an image with a pop-out effect like this in Photoshop. Let's start with a new document. Then insert an image. Insert the second image. Lower the opacity and adjust its position. Return to 100%. Turn off this layer, select it, and use the Quick Selection tool to select the screen area. Turn it back on. Select the layer and make a mask. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate. Right-click and delete the layer mask. Make sure it's still in Selection tool mode. Click the arrow and select Cloud for detailed results. And click Select Subject. Back to make a mask. Create a selection area using the polygonal lasso tool. Make sure it's black on top and activate the brush. Delete this. Press Ctrl-D to deselect. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.